Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to export passwords from Dashlane. First, open the Dashlane web app in your browser and log in. Then click My Account, then Settings. Inside Settings, select Export Data, then Export to CSV. You'll see a prompt where Dashlane will ask you to enter your master password to unlock the export. After you unlock, Dashlane will download a zip file containing several CSV files, like your credentials, IDs, payment info, and secure notes. Open the zip and extract the CSVs you need. Just a warning though, these files are unencrypted, so handle them carefully, and it's recommended to delete after use. Note, if you have a professional or business plan, the ability to export may be disabled by your organization's admin. You may need to move items to your personal space first. And that's how you export passwords from Dashlane. Thanks for watching.